Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a sleek braided ponytail on 4C hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do this, then go ahead and continue watching, girl. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right. Okay, this is her hair. You can't really see her roots, but her roots are super thick. They are 4C. She is still transitioning, so the ends of her hair are straight. But the roots, I'm going to show you guys, like, her roots, I got them things crispy straight, all right? No Gorilla Glue, okay? None of that, okay? But, yes, guys, I got her roots super straight, so do not think you need a relaxer or even need to relax your roots or your ends or anything like that or your edges. Like, you don't have to do anything. With 4C hair, you can get a slick ponytail, okay? So, just go ahead and continue watching. Now, her hair is clean. However, she washed her hair, but I'm going to blow it out so it's still dry and things like that. And that it's not stretched out or anything like that. So all I'm going to do is literally put some heat protectant. I use the Ion Solutions heat protectant on her hair and detangle it in sections and just literally go with the blow dryer with some type of paddle brush or dimming brush to kind of start stretching the hair out to get it to its desired length and desired stretched out state, okay? So that's basically what I'm doing, just putting it in sections and literally just blowing the hair out so it can be some type of manageable, okay? So yeah, like I said, her ends are still relaxed. However, her roots are 4C, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and just continue blowing it out with that Conair blow dryer. Okay, so after you do that, you're going to want to put it in sections once again and start with a flat iron. I use the Baby Bliss flat iron on all my clients. I use to the highest setting. I always use on the highest setting and clients do not have heat damage because you have to properly protect their hair from the heat. I feel like that is super important, okay? So don't be scared of putting it on the highest heat to get the straightest results because it's the fact that if you protect it from the heat beforehand, then you'll be fine. I like to double protect. I like to, before I blow dry it, put the heat protector on and before I flat iron, not just one time, okay? I like that extra barrier. So I just do it in small sections with the flat iron, and sometimes I'm using the chase method if it's easy, but sometimes I am not, okay? Tell me that makeup look is not bomb on her. It's so pretty. She's an Aries baby like me. Me and her have the exact same birthday, April the 1st. And yes, Aries gang, okay? She got that birthday slay coming, okay, for our photo shoots. So yeah, guys, so I'm just literally doing that throughout the whole hair. I'm getting it to it's very sleek. Now, for the edges, I like to use a wax stick, and then I like to use a hot comb just to get it close to the edges because a flat iron just can't get it the way you want it to, okay? So just kind of take your time with the hot comb and just do what you got to do, okay? So as far as her ponytail, she wants a braided ponytail. She wants it kind of mid-leveled. She doesn't want it low and she doesn't want it high because of the hat that she's wearing for the photo shoot. So I'm just going to make it mid-level. So I'm going to part it in sections where she's going to have kind of a semi-swoop. She does not want hair in her face. So we're not going to do a whole swoop bang, but we are going to have it where it's a side part. So I'm parting it in 3 sections where she have the back sections and the 2 front side sections. I'm going to mold everything in sections, okay? So how I'm going to start off with is I'm going to just use the freeze spray. That basically is doing the job. So okay, so this is some tips. When you're doing the freeze spray method when it comes to molding ponytails, you're really going to have to keep going over and over and over until you get it to your desired style, okay? So you guys can see in the back, I have 2 little pieces that I want her to have 2 little pieces in the back. I think that's super cute. So I'm just literally getting 2 rubber bands and parting off those sections with the rubber bands, okay? So that way it won't get in the way. So like I said, do it in sections. Have the freeze spray to kind of mold everything in place. Now, if you still feel like a spot that you missed or a spot that's not smooth, you can go back over it with that same freeze spray. Even though it's already freeze sprayed down, you know, it's going to get cakey. It's going to start getting it's going to start having flakes. So you're going to want to spray that same spot. When you re-wet that same spot, it's going to basically start over. You know what I'm saying? So if you need to move anything where you messed up at, just respray that spot and it'll get back wet. And then you can manipulate it without it flaking, okay? So that's a trick that I love to use, guys. So yeah, so I'm just kind of sitting on my knees and just getting that, you know, that ponytail pretty sleek the way I want it to. And then I'm just going to do the front. So that freeze spray is basically literally going to do that job. If you flat iron it the way you're supposed to flat iron it, and even if you miss some spots or it's not as smooth as you want, if you just have that freeze spray and you're combing it and you're kind of doing it in sections, when it comes with the blow dryer, it will get straight as you want it. So as you can see, I'm going over it another time because the first time it's almost like a rough draft. Like, okay, I'm getting some of it smooth, but not all the way. And then I like to blow dry it and then re-wet it again and really just like mold it in place. And I think that works really, really well when it comes to that method. And I'm just literally doing all of it the same way. Like I said, she's getting a side part, but she does not want the hair in her face. And also, don't take the rubber band out. Just increase the rubber bands. So if I have 2 rubber bands in the back section and I'm adding the front sections to the back, I'm going to add another rubber band. I'm not going to take out rubber bands just to redo the ponytail because I feel like at that point you may mess everything up. So just add to the ponytail rubber bands. Don't take away.
Schedule's always conflicting. I know that we be busy, but FaceTime is just not enough. I wanna feel your hand in mine and spend quality time. Yeah, that shit you cannot buy. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. I know you miss me, wanna be with me. We get that bag right now, finna travel around, I have no fear. But I still wish that you were here. I am so glad you make it clear that you love me, but no one above me. You show me that you trust me. You're the only one for me. And you know I'm a rider. Yeah, I got that to die for. What we got is fire, and it's taking me higher. Save a little time for me. Yeah. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Yeah. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. Tick tock on the clock, yeah, I'm counting down. You know I want you now. Wait till we link in town. Tick tock on the clock, boy, I'm counting down. I know you want me.
From my shoe.
Why would her get that?
I be scared to get the vaccinations for the kids that they required to take. Talking about something you put in your body.
Why was she?
She was nervous, hell. But a lot of people comfortable with taking it though.
I think my mom took that shit.
My grandma took it. But she had the corona, so she wanted to take it because she had got it.
Well, hell, she don't gotta take one. She got it, then. You got it. Shit.
Everybody done build immunity from it already now at this point.
So how thick you want your braid? You want it pretty thick? Or you want it kind of thick?
Yeah, you can do it kind of thickish. Oh, this one.
Okay, so as far as adding the braiding hair, so you're going to want to This is just up to you, however thick or small you want the braid to be. But with me, I added some and I took it out, added some, took it out. So it just depends on how much I want to add and how thick the client's hair is. So basically, you just get your desired hair, you fold one half in front, have the client hold, and you just literally rubber band the other half to the ponytail. And then you're just going to fold that part that they were holding back into the ponytail. And then you're going to grab a piece that you section off and just kind of start wrapping that around the base of the ponytail. Now you're going to have to kind of go back and forth. I just did it exactly the way she wanted it, guys. She wanted it to kind of have a firm base, a kind of a thick base, and then the ponytail to kind of start off big and kind of get small, okay? So you can always differentiate the ponytail and the braid how you want. Depends on how the client wants it, okay? So it really all just depends on how everything is going
for COVID, they took the hot bar.
Depending on how the client
wants it.
The
hot bar, just like the little sushi and
I did it exactly how she wanted me to.
I know they took the hot bar.
You can always do a
remember had a salad bar and all that
completely different way. Just depends on how you want it. But yeah, once I just kind of fold that back over and I kind of have the base where I'm molding it with the freeze spray and just wrapping and molding,
exactly. I mean, look, at this point, everything open, so just make everything open.
Where the hair is, and just kind of start holding that
see how the summer goes.
Kind of.
It's
pretty simple.
I got something with shitty last time.
I'm just saying, like, if it's gonna spread.
Is dope. And for the edges, I like to use the edge like the edge control. She has makeup on, so you have to be really careful when it comes to like
the kids on spring break.
The client's face, because like I said, especially if they have a full face of makeup, it's best to do when the client does not have makeup yet. But yeah, y'all, just watch the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything.
This is my first time in years that someone the sun won't be stressing me out. And she dancing.
Oh yeah, I see that. Hey. Cute too.
I'm about to show you that crowd.
Love it.
Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. I know I'm selfish, can't really help it. I waited so many days, wanna see your face, but way too long. Tell me if I'm wrong, cause I hit your phone like damn near 24. I'm about to hit the road. Tell me why our schedule's always conflicting. I know that we be busy, but FaceTime is just not enough. I wanna feel your hand in mine and spend quality time. Yeah, that shit you cannot buy. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. I know you miss me, wanna be with me. We getting that bag right now, finna travel around, I have no fear. But I still wish that you were here. I'm so glad you make it clear that you love me, but no one above me. You show me that you trust me, you trust me.